What's up? Hope everybody is doing good. I'm your boy, Will the Tiger. Today we're going to check out this Alip Sweet Child of Mine fingerstyle. Let's check it out.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel Powerful Reactions, and today we're gonna react to an artist that I actually reacted to last year. So it's about time that I'm returning to this guy. Of course, I'm talking about Alip. He covered the Guns N' Roses classic Sweet Child of Mine. And by the way, it says fingerstyle cover, and I remember this guy playing the guitar in such an incredible way, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be another amazing one. Here we go, Sweet Child of Mine, of course by Guns N' Roses, being performed by Alip. Here we go. Alright everyone, and here we go. That sound already.
That is so sweet. That is so sweet. Now I understand why people been telling me to check this cat out, man. He's making beautiful music with that guitar right there.
You know, it's so hard to pause this video. Of course, I have to pause it at one point. This is so soothing, so relaxing. I love it, man. The quality of the sound is unbelievable. And again, man, the way he performs with this guitar just really makes all the other instruments almost like, you know, not really important. He could create a whole concert just by using his guitar. He's not even singing, you know, and that's already enough. People are like, yeah, that's enough, let's do this. So that's how talented this guy is. All right, let's continue. What is that noise? I thought about it earlier. Is that actually also being created on the guitar? That one, dun, tsk, dun, tsk, dun, tsk. Really sounds almost like it's almost like a snare, but it is not a snare.
Oh my god.
That's not from the guitar, right? I don't think so.
I love music. I really appreciate what he's doing right there with just that one guitar, man. He's making all those sounds with that one guitar. Oh my god. Vibe to this.
It's so funny because he's sitting in the room with this microphone being attached to the guitar, but at the same time, if I would close my eyes, you know, from the production and the sound, it could really be out of a DVD or from a DVD of a live show, live concert. Like, this is just how crazy technology, you know, is nowadays. You can really create something like that in your room. Of course, you have to be talented as this guy, otherwise it's not gonna sound good. And also, what is really astonishing to me is the way he slides on the fretboard, because I remember playing I'm actually right now looking at the acoustic guitar, playing the acoustic guitar for the first time, and every time I change, or when, for instance, when I played some, you know, some riffs such as Raining Blood by Slayer. What? Raining Blood by Slayer on the acoustic guitar? Yes. If I played, for instance, Raining Blood, and then after that one, when I did that riff, you know, on the acoustic guitar, you always hear like different strings. Like, in his case, the way he slides on that board is just so smooth. I love it. Let's continue.
Yo, man, I like how this cat just handles his business. He's just sitting there. He just sitting there and playing the guitar. He ain't talking. He ain't doing nothing else. He don't have no help. He's doing all this by himself. Solo dolo. That's right. Love that. Oh my god, man, that's pretty dope. That is pretty dope right there. Hey.
Beautiful. Awesome. Alright guys, that was it. Alip Bata covering Guns N' Roses' song, the classic Sweet Child of Mine. Man, first of all, of course, he created almost a completely new song by covering the song that way. That was really amazing. I can't believe, again, the way or how smooth it sounds when he plays different strings or slides on the fretboard. That was unbelievable. Some of you guys know that I'm a huge fan of Buckethead. I think Buckethead is still, nowadays, in the top 3 of the best guitar players alive. Nowadays, for sure. This guy, Buckethead, is unbelievable. So, of course,